Hi, I'm Rahul Bharti, and this is Virama, my project for OpenAI Build Week. Virama, or pronounced as Viram, means pause, break, or rest in Hindi. While everyone is using AI to make people work faster, I wanted to use it to build something that helps people slow down. Virama is inspired by Oak, a meditation app I used for years. I wanted to keep its simplicity and watercolor aesthetics while removing the streaks, notification, advertisement, and dark patterns found in many modern well-being apps. Let me show you how it works. Virama, once you come to the website, you can always just click on begin a pause. It takes you to the home screen, and it does not require to have any kind of account to be able to use the initial free four practices, which is clear beginning, easy breathing, shoulder down, and clear evening. To use it simply, you can click on begin 1 minute and it starts the 1 minute.
Choose a position that feels steady enough.
So here it asks
Keep
you to
the
breathe
eyes
in, breathe
open
out.
or
It will help you
closed and
as
let
similar to any
ordinary
other meditation
breathing
app.
continue.
And we can end practice
Let the
whenever you
shoulders be.
feel like. And once you end a practice, it does not track if you had completed that practice or not. It only tracks when the practice is complete. This app includes the 4 voices and 66 soundscape and 22 awareness bells. Instead of the streaks, Virama uses this garden. Instead of streaks, Virama uses this garden at specific milestones. So basically, it grows as you work through it. So every watercolor mark is on permanently and is never taken away when someone takes a break. And 4 practices are free forever with no account, trial, or credit card. But practice history is stored locally, so user can export their data and they can also delete their practice history without worrying about it. And also with the accounts, they don't need to have an account, but it's up to them if they want an account to keep the track of the purchases. Virama works offline and can also be installed as a PWA, and there is a minor issue with the installation experience that I am working on. I've also built an Expo mobile app, but releasing was delayed by a store review requirement and amount of compliance work, which is involved. And I have full-time job, which makes it harder for me to sit down and fill all those forms. For currently, the web WPA and web app works, which can be used. I use Codex to start research the dark patterns to define a product, create a PRD and technical specification, and scaffolding the product, build it feature by feature with automated testing. This was not a one-shot generation. It was a continuous process of building, reviewing, testing, and refining. For the later stages, I also use Claude Code because it has longer context window and faster responses, and they were helpful for repository-wide reviews and final polishing. Virama is live at virama.co.in. Thank you for watching.